Hi, I'm Jeff Wagner, Product Manager for the Laredo Group at Keystone RV. Today I'm here to discuss the electric stabilizer system of the Laredo travel trailers. As you can see, on the front of every travel trailer we feature an electric tongue jack. This comes complete with a light and an automatic button to raise and lower the trailer quickly and conveniently for you. So in addition to the electric tongue jack on the front of the units all feature 2 sets of electric stabilizer jacks. They're quick and convenient and make setting up your camp a breeze. Thanks for taking a minute to learn a little more about the Laredo electric stabilizing system. For more information, you can see your local dealer or log on to our website for more information.
Thanks for watching Keystone RV on YouTube. Like and share this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to our channel for the latest product updates and valuable service advice from the experts here at Keystone RV, keeping you camping through the long haul.